Hi students, I want to explain today because it's a little bit different than previous weeks. So you have one module this week instead of two. So you're going to do this, you can do it in one day, it would be quite long. I would recommend if you want to do it in 2 days. So this is a formative essentially. So at the beginning it's going to be very straightforward. You simply go to Google Classroom for the Do Now like we've talked about before. You'll see a page that will say Module 8 Do Now, click on it and you're going to do some vocabulary review. Past that, you have a formative. You're like, whoa, this is quite long, okay? But don't worry, I put a marker right here at question 4. That's about the halfway point. So when you get there, you can keep going and be like, you know what, I'm going to work for an hour and a half, get this all done at once. Or you can break it up over 2 days. So once you're here, that's a good place to stop after the first day if you're going to do it in 2 days. There is no mastery check here either, because this is kind of like all a giant mastery check since it's a formative. So one more time, you have one module for the whole week and it will take you probably 2 days. Okay, go watch this video, of course you are, then go to Google Classroom for the Do Now. Once you get to this point, you're halfway and you can decide whether you want to finish all in one day or come back and finish tomorrow. Okay? Also, there is no mastery check. Good luck and reach out with questions.